after this park was completed in 2019, we really wanted to circle back because this park is always working. Not only is it beautifying the landscape, but it's also bettering the Reedy River. So as you can see here, we have a rain garden that is full of plants that remove toxins, use those nutrients from stormwater runoff, and really absorb it and allow it to seep into the ground rather than running off really quickly and reaching the river.
You know, water is the universal resource, and getting the people out in the community looking at these signs and informing the community about what we have around us, this is phenomenal. I'm thrilled that Duke Energy is a part of it.
We're blessed to be along the Reedy River. It is one of our greatest natural assets. Our natural resources are not only an attraction for people coming to visit Greenville, but they're very much an attraction for the people who live and work in Greenville.
So we get a lot of emails saying, oh, this area is getting overgrown, it needs a lot of maintenance, but really that area is exactly how we want it to be. So this might look overgrown, but that's because there's a lot of plants doing their jobs of removing those toxins. And what we also like to see is what's called a riparian buffer. So a riparian buffer is an area of land that's undisturbed and it has natural vegetation rather than invasives. So those plants will slow down that stormwater again, protect the stream bank, and really stabilize it so it doesn't cave in or carve out.
The park is full on the weekends and during the weekdays, and it's just part of our culture, and this is just one of the many. You know, we have our green necklace of parks that surround the city of Greenville, and these are some of our greatest assets, and we invest in them heavily to protect them.